daily I have to go to a church evening. We pray in between 10-15 minutes to in a church, and daily I'm asking to God, I want to do something. I really want to help my father. I really want to help my mother, and really want to help myself. I need value in the society. I need to create a value in front of my friends and all, cousins and all, right? So finally, I got a call in Friday night from my brother-in-law. He calling from Kuwait, and he told me that Saturday one guy is coming from Kuwait, and go and meet him. He share you something, do it, you can change your life. That's it. Nothing else. He's my brother-in-law, right? I trust him. I went and met that guy. His name called Ani Matthew from Kuwait, and he explained everything, business, some kind of a financial, some kind of a 3V 3UV. No, I don't know anything, because my life, job, home, then friends, then job, home, friends, that's it. Nothing else. I don't know that kind of a business. I don't know e-commerce business. I don't know network marketing. I don't know direct selling. Nothing actually. But that day I'm not went alone. My friend is with me. It's like a buddy, right? His name is also GB George. He telling me that this is called seems like a adding people and bringing people, and he asks in front of him, this is called money chain, right? But that time I don't know what it is. Really, I don't know, right? But I want to do something. So whether it is I trust one guy, he is my brother-in-law. Then I started. Before starting, I have to pay. Everyone, we have to pay, right? Time, money, everything, right? I invested some money, but I took a liability, extra liability, and invested. Then I'm become bigger zero. Then finally 2 weeks, 1 week after, my brother-in-law called, go to Calicut, because there is a system, call system is running. Go and attend the system. We went Calicut. We don't have money. Even we don't have money to buy food also. We eat parota, because this parota is heavier. If we eat in the morning, then we can eat in the night. So we don't have money to pay the food also, right? We struggled a lot. 8 months we continuously travel for a 1 hour system to Calicut, and never we dropped it, because we don't have other option. I'm stick with the process. I'm connected with my upline. I work harder. After 8 months, I'm started on system in a Kochi, and within that time, so many successful stories are coming. And that time, I used to that's the working time. My mom asked 100 rupee. I'll give her 10 rupee, 20 rupee, because I don't have money. Then after mom asked for 200 rupees, I'll give her 50 rupee. But after that, my mom asked 100 rupee, I'll give her 500 rupee. If 500 rupee, I'll give her 2000 rupees. If my mom asks more than 2000 rupees, I give my card, keep it. Okay. So, and one more thing. I used to go to government college and local hospital and all, right? Treatment. Today, I'm giving a best treatment to my mom, to my father. Why? Because I took a decision. It's painful, it's hurtful, but that decision helped me to overcome every problem, right? Today you sit here, you listen to so many speakers, right? So many living lifeful stories, right? Experience. You can learn, because you already face the same problem. I already met all the problems. Why I overcome? I figure out my reason. One and only my father, one and only my mom. today they're living a better life. They catch all the dreams. They remove so many things because of the money value. Today they will not look at the price tag. They can buy anything because my son my son is making more money, right? Then why we limiting? So they have to start dreaming, right? Correct. So symbol in front of you is an amazing opportunity. If you take care of it, if you're ready to work harder, if you fight against the haters, definitely you can catch everything. And one more thing, stick with your upline. He's a mentor, right? It's like a father. My working upline is Mithulash. He's like a father. He guides me. He's with me 24 hours. I stick with him. That's why today I'm standing here. Or no one will not remember me. I'll still there in front of a system. I'm working for someone. I make someone, I don't know who is he. He become millionaire. I become poor also, right? So symbol, take a decision. Figure out your reason. Figure out your why, and work for that. You apply the entire universe, in the entire society, maybe against you, but you have to figure out your reason. That reason will guide you. That reason will push you. That reason will pump you. Then tomorrow you can come here. I can share your takeaways. That takeaway will change n number of people's life. That people, maybe n number of Sachin Gupta, n number of Kavita ma'am, n number of Mithulash, n number of every potential people, right? So come, don't sit here. Next QSP, we can stand together. We can share everything. We can share our success stories, everything, right? Figure out and create your best version. Everyone have a best version of in your life, right? Figure out it. One thing, your best version, and submit into your upline, and receive so many hitting and chips. Then you can become a better version of yourself. Correct. So that's I just want to share with you. Thank you so much, and thank you upline for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.